Hello everyone. In previous lecture, we have completed a problem on intersection of prism and cylinder. From the subject MWM, Mechanical Engineering, third semester I scheme. And now in this lecture, we are going to study problem on square prism penetrating square prism. Means one square prism is standing on the ground floor and other square prism is penetrating to the vertical prism horizontally. And the problem statement is a square prism 30 mm base side and 70 mm axis is completely penetrated by another square prism of 25 mm sides and 70 mm axis horizontally. Both axes intersects and bisects each other. All faces of prism are equally inclined to vertical plane, that is VP. And the question is draw projections showing the curves of intersection. Now in this problem statement, they have given dimensions of both square prism. One is vertical and one is horizontal. In the diagram itself, a red colored prism indicates a vertical square prism standing on ground floor on its corner, and one horizontal square prism is penetrating to the vertical, and axis of this prism intersects and bisects each other. We will see the solution of the same. See, the first step, what you have to do is start from XY line. XY line is faint. You have to start from the top view of vertical square prism. Top view on corner basis, we have to draw like this way. Dimensions are already given in examination also. Dimensions may vary, maybe 40 mm side, 50 mm side, whatever it may be, you have to draw according to that. Later on, take the projections from top view to the front view like this way, from point 1 over here, from point 2 and 4 over here, and 3 point at XY line. Extend all these lines up to the height which is given in the problem statement. Axis height. Axis is given 70. In examination, maybe 80, maybe 90, whatever it may be, you have to take all these things and make a rectangle and join the lines. Then you have to draw the side view. So take the projections from top view, point number 4, point number 2, and point number 1 and 3 overlapping on the same line, and we'll get all these points in the side view. Just extend the lines like this way. Take care, in top view we have given the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. In front view we have given the numbering 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash, and in side view we have given the numbering 1 double dash, 2 double dash, 3 double dash, and 4 double dash. Okay, this is the first step. What we did, we have drawn front view, top view, and side view of vertical square prism standing on ground floor on its corner base. Now, all these things are highlighted with the help of blue colored lines, vertical square prism, and see in the side view a red colored lines are given: A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, and D double dash. All these things are drawn in the side view because vertical square prism penetrated by horizontal square prism, exact shape of the base we can see from the side view, so that in side view we have drawn the base of square prism: A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, and D double dash. Now take the projections in front view of A double dash, B double dash up to the D double dash. Also, we have to take all these projections in top view, so that we will complete the FV, TV, and SV of horizontal square prism. Now see step number 2. See, this is the step number 2. In step number 2, what we did is we have completed the front view of horizontal square prism because we have dimensions with us. Whatever the dimensions mentioned in the problem statement, just take it from the side view to the front view. Next step is take projections from side view to the top view, D double dash, like this way, and just extend the line. According to dimension, we will arrange. Just take this B double dash point and extend it. Again, C double dash and A double dash will be overlapping. Take it in the top view. Now, we have to match all these projections with the projections from front view. Just take faint lines and take it from the front view to the top view. Now we have to draw the top view of horizontal square prism. Now in next step, complete the 3 views of vertical as well as horizontal square prism. Here we have drawn the rectangle of horizontal prism in top view as well as in front view. Is it so? Now, this is the important step. We have to take the points of intersection here in top view. Wherever the 2 prisms are intersecting, for example, this point, again this one, later on this point, because these are, I am highlighting with the yellow color, all these points are the intersecting points of 2 square prism. We have to take these projections from top view to front view. Likewise, take all the points from the top view towards the front view. Now, see this point I have taken from here straight towards this, because we have to match the projections from side view also and the projections from top view also. Here, with the help of circle, 3 circles, small points they have mentioned, the intersecting point in the front view. We have located these 3 points in front view at the right side of front view, as well as we have to locate all these points in left side of front view. Okay, total 6 points we have projected, and we have to match all these points from top view projections as well as from side view projections. In the next step, just join all these things with dark line, because these are the visible portion from front view. Join these points. These are the visible portion from the front view. The portion which is not visible, we can mention it with the help of dotted lines. Okay, now the dotted lines are nothing but the invisible lines, and these lines I have mentioned with the help of these red colored lines. This portion is of dotted line in front view, and in top view, point number 1, point number 3 is the dotted portion. We have to imagine after intersecting a prism with the help of horizontal prism, how the shape will looks like, what are the dotted lines, in front view as well as in top view. So we get the diagram which is in front of you after solving this problem. Just keep in mind one thing: give numbering and naming to each and every point of intersection. So here is the complete diagram of intersection of horizontal prism. We have solved this problem. This problem contains problem statement. This is the problem statement. Then the 3D diagram in imagination like this way, and the solution is in front of you. This is the problem statement, 3D imaging diagram, and this is our solution for the problem. So in examination, you have to keep in mind one thing, that which line should be dark, which line should be faint. Projections lines are always faint and visible outlines are always dark. Invisible lines should be dotted lines. So your line work should be perfect. If your line work, numbering, naming is proper, then you will get detailed mark for this particular problem. Thank you very much.